Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry without oil. First, let's begin by sautéing your aromatics. Instead of oil, use a couple of tablespoons of water, vegetable broth, or light coconut milk. Add your chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger to a non-stick pan. Cook these ingredients over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently until they become soft and fragrant. Add more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, if anything starts to stick. Now let's infuse those wonderful spices. If using whole spices, dry toast them in your pan for 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic. Then, add your ground spices, like turmeric, cumin, and coriander, along with a small splash of water or broth. This creates a paste and prevents them from burning. Stir constantly for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until the spices are fragrant and well combined. Next, it's time to add your vegetables and the liquid base. Stir in your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, cauliflower, or chickpeas, coating them thoroughly with the spice mixture. Pour in your liquid base, perhaps 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of vegetable broth, or 1 can of light coconut milk. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious oil-free curry. Stir in a generous handful of fresh herbs, such as chopped cilantro or mint, for a vibrant burst of flavor. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, black pepper, and perhaps a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten everything up. Serve your warm, aromatic curry immediately with fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.